Hi everyone, welcome to our next lesson on Module 5, My New House, Part 5, with me, Teacher Grace. Today, we'll be carrying out 3 activities to understand today's topic. We will also look at the grammar of adjectives and completing the task in your workbook. First, let's look at the activities. For our first activity, I would like you to read with me about Sue's house. I live in a big house. The kitchen, the living room, and the bathroom are downstairs. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs. My favorite room is my bedroom. It has got pink walls. There are 3 flowers on the wall. There's a big window next to my bed. I love my bedroom. Based on the reading of Sue's house, answer these questions. Number 1. Where's the kitchen and the living room? Yes, you're right. It's downstairs. Question number 2. How many bedrooms are there upstairs? Yes, there are 3 bedrooms upstairs. Question number 3. What is Sue's favorite room? Yes, you're right again. It's her bedroom. Question number 4. What is there on her bedroom's wall? Yes, there are flowers. How many flowers are there? You're right. There are 3 flowers on her bedroom wall. And the 5th question is, where is the window? Remember that we have read that there is a big window? Yes, you're right. It is next to her bed. Well done. For this activity, look at the picture and think of sentences that you can make from it. Can you look at the wall? What is there on the wall? Yes, you're right. So what kind of sentences that we can make? Yes, there are 2 paintings on the wall. How about the other side of the wall? What can we see? Use the words that we have learned in our previous lessons. Yes, you're right. There is a clock near the window. How about on the mat? What can you see here? Yes, it's a toy car. And to put it in sentence, there is a toy car on the mat. Very good. How about the next person? Try to make sentences regarding this girl. Where is she sitting? On the chair? Yes. So what sentences can you make? The girl sits on the chair. And the 5th sentence would be regarding, what is this? Oh, that's a bin. And where is the bin? So the sentence would be, the bin is beside the computer table. Very good. Now, let's move on to the grammar of adjectives. Adjectives describes a noun. It tells you more about a thing or a person. It can be categorized into 4 categories, which are shape, color, number, and size. Let's look at some examples for shape. Round, oval, square, and rectangle. What are the shapes you can think of? We have triangle. What else? Rhombus, star shape, and so many more. Now let's move on to the second category, which is the color. What examples do I have here? Oh, we have blue color, red, yellow, green, purple, and black. What other colors can you think of? Yes, there's white, there's pink, orange, brown. What more? Moving on to the next category, which is the number. Example number 1, 2, 4, 7, 100. What other numbers can you think of? Yes, there's 3, there's 5, there's 10, 20, and so many more. Moving on to the next category, which is the size. For example, big, big smile, or small, small smile. Or we have long, a long pencil, or a short pencil. Can you think of other words? We have huge, humongous, tiny, and many more. Well done. There are a few things that you need to know about adjectives. Adjectives is written before a noun. For example, the noun is house. We would write big house and not house big. And for the noun of slippers, we would write pink slippers and not slippers pink. Do you remember the sentences that we have made in activity 3? The first sentence is, there are 2 paintings on the wall. So which word is the noun? Yes, you're right, paintings. And what adjectives that we can use? Okay, so where should we put the adjectives? Yes, there are 2 big paintings on the wall. The next one, there is a clock near the window. What adjectives would you like to use to describe this clock? It's a round clock. So the new sentence would be, there is a round clock near the window. The third sentence, it's about the toy car. What color is the toy car? It's red. Okay, so where would we put the word red? You're right. There is a red toy car on the map. Fourth sentence, the girl sits on the chair. We have 2 nouns here. Which noun would you want to use? The girl? What about the girl? How can we describe the girl? The girl is beautiful. The girl is pretty. So we can use the pretty girl sits on the chair. How about the next and last sentence? It's about the bin. What can we write about the bin? What adjectives do you have in mind? The color adjectives? Also, what color is the bin? Yes, the green bin is beside the computer table. Very good. Let's do some more grammar exercises by clicking on the link in the description box. Moving on to the exercise in workbook page 38. For this exercise, you would need to look, read, and write. So there are 3 steps that I have listed down for you to be able to write the sentence properly. The first step is to identify the noun. Second, to place the adjectives in front of the noun. And then you write the sentence. Remember to make sure to start off your sentence with a capital letter and end it with a full stop. The adjectives are given at the end of the sentence in the bracket. You may pause the video to complete this exercise. Have you completed the exercise? Let's check the answers. For sentence number 2, the noun is sofa. So the sentence would be, there is a red sofa in the living room. Sentence number 3, the noun is bookcase. So the sentence would be, I have got a yellow bookcase. For sentence number 4, the noun that we will be looking at is tree. So the sentence would be, there is a big tree in the garden. And for sentence number 5, the noun is painting. So the sentence would be, there is a pretty painting on the wall. Did you manage to get it all correct? Well done. For the second activity, you will need to draw your house, then write about it. Answer these questions to help you to write. Is your house big or small? If your house is big, you would have to write, I live in a big house. Continue on with naming the rooms of your house. How many rooms that you have? Do you have a living room? Do you have a dining room, kitchen, so on and so forth? Then identify your favorite room. Choose one room that is your favorite. Would it be your bedroom? Would it be the kitchen? Would it be the bathroom? Or would it be the living room? Once you have chosen your favorite room, tell me more about your favorite room by stating what is there or what are there in your favorite room. Complete your sentences and send it to your teacher for marking. That's all for today's class. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!